The birds are watching us. Got the coop moved today. It's right up next to the greenhouse. I gotta level it a little. I gotta pick up this end so it's level. Shout out Joe, Joey, and Barry helping us move it. And I get it all set up. I'm gonna encase this so they can come out to their coop. And the door's on this side. I'm gonna use those same chicken wired tables I had. And then close it here. And then build their run up and down the side. Yeah. That was a hell of a project, but we got it here. Looks good. You couldn't get any closer. Like, it's perfect. Love it. Yeah. Let's check on the birds. How we doing? What's she need? I know. Yeah, I brought your coop back so you can go in it soon. What are you looking at? Oh, okay. Tired now. Time for bed.